If it's a 3D printed shoe, then why is it called 4D? What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and it's another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Adidas AlphaEdge 4D in the core black colorway. Now, this is the latest offering for Adidas in their whole 3D printing design. So the midsole on this shoe is completely 3D printed. And as a runner, that makes for a much more comfortable shoe. It's a much more locked down fit because you have a 3D printed midsole. It's all one piece. It's a lot more responsive to you as you're running. This is the second technical offering of the AlphaEdge silhouette. Last year, and they actually retail for $450. This one is retailing for $300, so it's a little bit cheaper than that one. And the way that it's moving, this one might be a little bit more accessible because this one is still in stores. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is all black with Adidas 4D on the front and the Adidas logo right on the end. And it's my favorite type of box because it's a slide out box. And it's also got this flap, which I think is really nice. And the colorway is core black, and carbon. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe, like I said before, features a singular unit. So the upper is basically molded and melded into the midsole. It's all one piece basically. And it's a sock-like upper, mostly prime knit with a little bit of synthetic rubber paneling around the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the black prime knit toe box with the different design for the black toe cap. Reminds me almost of the Alpha Bounce, especially with this added groove. That and the Dame 4, like this extra groove panel, that's what it reminds me of right here. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got the black prime knit tongue, and the tongue tag is suede with the vertical 3 stripes similar to the Adidas Alpha Bounce and the Dame 4. Also, you've got black laces. The insole is actually the same color as the midsole is, and it's got the 4D printed logo on it. Moving towards the heel, you've got the black prime knit with the, like I said before, the groove detail by the toe. You've also got this rubber or synthetic panel where the eye stays are, and you've got the additional prime knit detailing as you move towards the quarter into the heel counter. Lastly, you've got this synthetic panel for the heel counter with the Adidas logo embossed in it. Moving towards the heel, you've got the black prime knit heel as a base with the pull tab going down the shoe, and it's 3M. Also, you've got the 2 panels on either side of the heel as well, kind of like as a border. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the prime knit as well as the prime knit detailing, and you've got the synthetic panel by the heel. However, you do not have the Adidas branding on the inside. The midsole is the main attraction of the shoe, and it's, like I said before, a 3D printed midsole, and it's slime green almost, or green glow, and it's actually really nice. It's very soft, it feels very responsive, and if you're gonna run in this shoe, definitely is gonna be something that you would wanna look out for. It's a little bit heavier than Boost, but it's still nice and solid. It's solid. It feels like it almost conforms to your foot a little bit better than Boost does, which is saying a lot because Boost does a great job at doing that. And lastly, you've got the black rubber Continental outsole. I'm a really big fan of the AlphaEdge in this black colorway. I know that they came out with the white colorway accompanying this colorway, and they've also got quite a few colorways in the pipeline already. This one to me though is just super nice, clean. It's gonna be one of those shoes that a lot of people sleep on until one crazy ass colorway comes onto it, or like Kanye hops on and be like, yeah, I want to do a couple colorways with this. Then everybody's gonna go crazy about it. Also, I think that the price tag is a little bit too high. $300 is definitely super steep, and that may also detract a lot of people from the shoe. I have seen it on places like StockX and other places for about $240, $250, which is realistically speaking how much I would pay for a 3D printed shoe. But $300 is honestly way too high for the shoe, and that may be what turns off a lot of people. So once this shoe drops in price, I'm definitely gonna pick up another pair and quite a few more pairs, because again, it's a really comfortable shoe. It's just, you know, too expensive. Now let's get some detail looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Adidas AlphaEdge 4D is now available at Adidas retailers and adidas.com for a retail price of $300. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out the Solepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.